start with the pad melody. Then add lo-fi keys. Add more keys. For the last melody part, add synth. This whole beat was made using my one-shot / drum kit, Dark Art. Drums, eerie keys, ambient pads, everything you need to build from scratch. You can find it on my Patreon Ice Gear link in the description. Hi-hats. Use some lower keys of the hi-hat for a bouncier drums. Claps. Snare. Open hats. Use 2 different for more exceptional sound for the drums. (808). Add kick and you're done. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice gear, ice gear.